people like fuel cell technology, because when people think about fuel cell technology, they know putting the H2 into the car is similar of what they are used to with regular gas. We are a company working for more than 20 years on fuel cell technology, and we are also a company that has trucks and buses within its portfolio. For commercial vehicles, things are slightly different than for passenger cars. Of course, there are also certain portfolios that you can easily work on with battery trucks or buses within city limits, a lower carriage. But if you go on long distance driving for buses, especially for long haul trucks, I really think that the fuel cell technology is the solution. I cannot imagine heavy batteries in a long haul truck. I think what we will see in the future is that the fuel cell technology, the way we do it, we work on a modular system. So we can introduce the systems into a truck application, but also later on in a vehicle application. And then you gain all these effects of, where you get efficiencies also commercially wise.